Designed for lighting professionals, eLight Pro IP65 lasers are built differently. Featuring an exceptional white balance, tighter divergence for brighter projections over longer distances, and higher resolution scanning for wider coverage and sharper effects, all enclosed in our new rock-solid IP65 rated housing for deployment in any weather conditions. The eLight Pro IP65 series eliminates the guesswork when selecting a professional laser fixture, providing you with a solid foundation so you can take on any event that comes your way. eLight Pro IP65 lasers are designed for large-scale shows and events, from mega clubs to arenas and stadiums, as well as large-scale outdoor festivals and architectural projections. Capable of producing all types of laser effects, including aerial beam effects, as well as HD laser text, graphics, logos, and mapping sequences. The eLight Pro IP65 series offer the latest control technology, with FB4 built directly inside the fixture. You can easily control these from a lighting console, as they support all major lighting protocols such as DMX, ArtNet, SACN, and more. You can also control the lasers directly from a PC or in standalone mode, also known as auto mode. If you want to express your creative ability, the eLight Pro IP65 lasers also include a free license for QuickShow, the world's most widely used laser design and control software. Working with QuickShow, you can create your own unique laser content and shows in a fast and efficient workflow, and then control your artwork live, using a MIDI device, via a timeline, or in an auto mode workflow. You will also get access to our mobile laser app, great for live control of your laser shows from a mobile device, compatible with both Apple and Android devices. eLight Pro IP65 lasers are available in multiple powers, primarily focusing on large-scale applications. This includes a 10 watt, 20 watt, 30 watt, and a 40 watt model. Customizable power configurations are available upon request. eLight Pro IP65 models use the very latest laser diode technology, offering rich, saturated colors with full color RGB and a stunning white balance when combined. The advanced laser diode drivers inside provide exceptionally linear fading in and out, so you as a lighting professional can dial in the exact look for the right moment. eLight Pro IP65 lasers feature a robust production-grade housing that is completely weatherproof. Designed for rentals, touring, and long-term wear and tear, you will never have to worry about the unit taking an impact during the show. These lasers are designed to be a true rock of a unit. You can easily daisy-chain multiple eLight Pro IP65 lasers together and control them over Ethernet, ArtNet, DMX, or in synchronized auto mode. All eLight Pro IP65 lasers feature a built-in network switch, along with DMX, e-stop, and power in and out. The integrated FB4 is found on the back of the fixture. Using the knob and the full-color digital display, you have complete control over adjustments such as brightness, color, axis, size, position, geometric correction, safety settings, and more. Safety is always a priority here at Unity, and that's why all of our eLight Pro IP65 lasers feature a free e-stop safety system, a mechanical shutter, emissions delay, and masking plate. They're also compliant with all FDA and EN 60825-1 regulations. eLight Pro IP65 lasers include all the accessories you need to get started, including a custom case with hardcore foam, e-stop, cables, keys, interlocks, manual, and a training guide. We're a customer-driven company, and regardless of where you are in the world, Unity Lasers has you covered, providing you with free training and support, a free variance filing, in service centers around the globe, all backed by the global Pangolin and Cavant network and teams. High-impact lasers, first-class support for the emerging professional. That's Unity.